I gained over 2K plus subscribers from trying this method on just one video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you the fastest way of getting your first 1K subscribers. So if you have been struggling to get your 1K subscribers, my dear, struggle no more. You just need to watch the video to the end for you to get it right, because in this video I'm going to share with you the exact thing I did to get such amount of subscribers from just one video as a small YouTuber as well, because this my account has not been long I created it, and I just tried it out, and in the space of how many days I got over 1K plus subscribers, and right now I'm in 2K plus subscribers. If this sounds like what you're interested in, this is what you want for your account, my dear, do well to give me a like, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is Comfort Augustine, and without wasting much time, let's get right into it. Once you get to your YouTube, you type popular short videos. A lot of popular short videos with 100 and something million views, 10 million views, and so on. You see a lot of popular short videos. You have to click the one you want. But me, I'm not going to click this one. Like I earlier told you, I'm going to tell you exactly what I did. It was a popular short video, but I'm going to like tell you the kind of one I used. So let's go into it now. So for me, I use this prosperity egg. So once you get to your search bar, you search for him if you want to use this kind of content as well. So the guy is into short videos. So I used him. So yes, after getting to his page, you see a lot of short videos. So I have to click on this one that have 5.9 million views. So after clicking on it, you can see the video. It's just like a game stuff, engaging game stuff. So you have to click on this plus by the side. Once you click on it, you will see option of collab. Now you have to collab. You press the collab. Once you click the collab, you have to extend the video. You see 15 seconds, but you have to extend it. You click on the 15-second, then you extend it like this. Yes. So after extending it, the next thing you have to press next. You press next. So once you press next, it will start processing just like this. So you have to be patient and wait for it to process completely. So once it processes completely, it will take you to this next page. So once you get to this page, you click on this red dot and you start recording your video, just as if you are reacting to a video. Make sure you are talking, like, can be saying anything. I won't be singing. Just let your lips just be moving so that YouTube will know that it is not a robot, it's a human being. So you just need to react until the video is completed. You just need to be saying something, moving your body, moving your eyes, laughing, reacting. And mind you, your speaker is on mute, so you can just be saying anything. So as your body is moving, your mouth is shaking, YouTube will know that it's a real human being and not a robot. This collab of eating is just like all this reaction video. You just need to be reacting, making your face, making your body. That's just all you need to do. You don't just need to look at your camera, you need to be reacting like the way I did. So after that, you click on this white dot. Once you click on it, it will bring you to this page where you have to see your work, like the video you just recorded. So once you get to this page, you can edit your video in this page. You can click on the edit. If you want to write right up on the video, you can click on this in capital letter A and small letter A. You can click on it so that you can write your write up, and when you are done, you click on next, then it will start processing. So you have to wait for it to process completely. So after processing completely, it will bring you to this next page. In this page, you have to fill in your details, like the title. Make sure the title you are using is the same with the title of the person you are collabing with. It is very important. The title should be the same so that you guys will get like the same kind of results. So the next thing you click on this and you have to select no, it's not for kids. So after clicking on that, you press this show more. So after pressing the show more, your location, don't choose any location so that YouTube will not push it to a particular audience. So the next thing, you go to your add description. Your description of video should be same with the person you're collabing with. Everything should be same if you want to get that kind of result with the person you're collabing with. So it is very important to use the same description. So the next thing, you have to click on the altered content. So you have to choose no, this content is not altered because you use your face to react to the video, so it is not an altered content. So after choosing the no, you have to click back, then you go to this add tags. Make sure your hashtags and tags are the same with the person you're collabing with for you to get similar results. You have to do everything like the same description, the same title, the same hashtag, and you will see your video will perform so well and so good like the person you're collabing with, and you get almost similar results even if you don't get as much views as the person you collab with. Like you get a lot of views and subscribers. And once you are done filling all the details, the next thing, you go down to this upload shorts. Then you click on it and upload it. And if you're not ready to upload it at that time, you can just click on save to draft. So this is so simple. You following this method, I assure you, you will get your 1K and more subscribers. This is the exact method I followed. So as you can see right here are the people that also collab with this particular video. So you can see getting 20K views, 23K views, and so on. You can see this girl also did collab. I clicked on it so that you can see the video very well. Once you collab with video, my dear, that video will do well. If you collab with a popular short videos, you can see a lot of people are collabing. They are not just collabing because they enjoy the video. They are collabing because they want to gain subscribers. Most of people that are doing this are not even in their niche, but they are doing it to gain their subscribers. Once you collab with this kind of videos, your chances of getting a lot of subscriber is very high. So if you want to gain your first 1K subscribers and more, don't joke with your collab. It's not must use this kind of video I am using. You can collab with any popular short video at all. Any popular short video, those videos that are gaining millions of views. If you want to collab, make sure there are videos that are gaining millions of views. Don't collab with a video that is just getting maybe 1,000, 2,000. No, if you want to gain subscribers, collab with videos with millions of views and you see the amount of subscribers you get. So my dear, this is all you need to do to get your 1K subscribers. Easy peasy, just to collab. Collab with popular short videos and you will see the result. If you try this out and it doesn't work for you, my dear, feel free to come and unfollow me if you follow me because of this video. This is what I did and it worked for me. That's why I'm putting it out here. So you have to, that's why I say you have to watch the video to the end for you to get it right. If you're using this method, you can do it like twice daily. And one more important thing, that short popular video might not be in your niche, but my dear, you still have to use it. Once you use it and you get the amount of subscribers you want, my dear, you put that video on private. The aim is just to get your 1K subscribers. And those people that followed you because of the collab video you did, they might start blending with your normal content, like your long form video, any kind of content you are into. They might start blending with it. Yeah, if you want to get your 1K subscribers, follow this method and you get it. You will even get more than 1K subscribers. A lot of people are getting up to 10,000, 20,000 on collab. Collab is very important. If you want to gain like a lot of subscribers faster, collab with popular short videos. Collab with them and you will see you will gain your subscribers, the amount of subscribers you want in a short period of time. So don't joke with collab, but if you want to gain a lot of subscribers, don't joke with collab. Hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time. Bye.